In this video tutorial, I will walk parents through how to follow and subscribe to your child's schools and set your default organization. Of course, if you haven't downloaded the Houston County School District app, you would need to look for that in the App Store and download to your phone. This dot will follow along with our tutorial to show you where we're going. You want to find the app on your phone and it's labeled HCSD. You're going to click on the app to open. Once the app opens, you see it opens to the feed for Houston County School District, which is currently our default setting. If you have not set a default, it will all be set to the Houston County School District, and we can change this feature. From here, you want to go down to the bottom, click on More. Then you want to go back to the top and click on this little gear up at the top. From there, that will open Settings. Next, you want to go over to Schools and click on the arrow on the right-hand side next to Schools. From here, you're going up to Subscriptions. Click on the arrow on the right side to open Subscriptions. Now you may go down through here and scroll to find your child's schools and select. In this example, we're going to select Matt Arthur Elementary, Bonaire Middle, and Veterans High. Then we want to come down to the bottom and click Save. From here, we want to go to Default Organization. You're going to go on the right-hand side of the screen and click on the arrow for Default Organizations. From here, it's defaulted currently to the Houston County School District, which is the school you will see when you first open the app. But you may choose any of the schools that you're following through subscriptions and click on them. So in this case, I'm going to say I want Veterans High to be the one that I choose for my default organization. So I'll click Veterans High, which switches it from the Houston County School District to Veterans High. Then I want to go down to the bottom and click Save. From here, we're going to close our app. And now we're going to go back in, open the app up. And you'll see at the top your school that you have selected as your default organization as the first one to appear in the feed. To change the feed, you would simply go over here to where the drop-down menu is. You're going to click on the drop-down, and then to view another school, you would simply scroll to find the school, and then it will open up the feed for that school. Unfortunately, this time, you can only have one school showing in a feed at a time. Some parents prefer this. Some would like to see all. We have submitted a request to our Aptigee company for the mobile app to possibly give the option to view more than one school at a time in a feed. But at this time, you do have to go over here and toggle in between the schools to see the feeds. It's important that you set up our schools like we did in More, where we had subscriptions, because that'll allow push notifications to come from your child's school that they send for school-wide announcements.